Okay.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Young, you can unmute yourself and activate your camera. Now calling the matter of the people versus Desmond Young. This is case number P119124H, count 3 improper plates. This is the date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Desmond Young.
Now, this is a review. My client was supposed to be 24 hours community service. He got tied up in some other matters, was unable to complete it or start it. He was asking for 2 months. He's not trying to avoid it. He just hasn't got it done.
April, May, June. So in 3 months, you couldn't do 25 hours of community service?
Sorry, Your Honor. Prior to this community service, I had some other community service I was in the middle of, and my original mindset was to knock that out and then start on this set, but I didn't have enough time. Sorry about that, Your Honor. That's what I'm asking for. I'm trying to see if there's a possibility I can get an extension.
How long did you ask for, Attorney Faulkner?
2 months, Your Honor, would ask for.
August 15th, an okay day, August 23rd. August 23rd, sir. You don't have it complete by then, I'm gonna do a fine. You want the fine or the community service?
I could take care of the community service. How much is the fine though? If just asking, Your Honor.
$200.
Okay. No, I can take care of the community service.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until August 23rd, 2022 to complete it, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, Mr. Young, okay?
Okay, you too.
I will, thank you. Ms. Michelle, I didn't even make sure you were ready to go. I'm sorry.
No, I'm good.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna try and get the other two. Mr. Wilson? I've been calling for you to come out to the courtroom. This is the judge. How are you doing? I can hear you. Can you hear me? Ms. Antoinette Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Antoinette Williams. This is ticket number P10340909. One count of blocking crosswalk, walk, or interfering with pedestrians. Also calling case number SP95344791. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Oh, no, that matter was before Judge Sherman. I apologize. On April the 6th. So the only other ticket in here is ticket number 1035024. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Antoinette Williams.
Your Honor, I have three listed, the same three listed on my docket, but the offer has a couple of other cases in it, it looks like.
Yeah, the case, and we can ask her since she's on. There's the 9534791. That's a case that it seems like it was assigned to Judge Sherman. Did you go to that court date, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. What was the outcome of that ticket? Do you recall?
The last time I went, which was on the 6th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have to pay $240.
Okay. So you pled guilty to that one. You're gonna pay $240?
Yes.
All right. So I'm not gonna dismiss that one as a part of this plea. But I see that the offer is her to plead to count 2 of this ticket, and then the other 2 tickets will be dismissed, or the 3 counts will be dismissed. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney, that would have been Mr. Faulkner, in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a trial, bench, or jury in the future? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 23rd of 2019. Were you in the area of Woodward and Euclid streets in the city of Detroit driving a Saturn vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on count 2 of ticket P10355024. Dismiss counts 1 and 3 of that ticket, as well as ticket number P10344909. All right, ma'am. You said you owe $240 on that other ticket. Have you been like paying off your tickets right now, Ms. Williams? I kind of remember.
I just went to court. He gave me 60 days to pay it off.
Okay. All right. Let me see something.
And Your Honor, for the record, Officer Backstresser is here.
Yes, he is. I was gonna say, he is present on the screen today for the bench trial. I apologize. Okay. I know she has $240 that she owes for that ticket. And look her up and just let her know. Oh, that's right. There's no $240. right, she still has some dispositions out there that she needs to say. Up to today.
That's the one on the document.
It's 103-024. Yeah, this is that one, so that's up to date. Hurry. All right.
Okay, so these three.
What you do here before. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then top, very top. Well,
It's up. So this one. You can like, oh. So these are like.
You know, you have a few tickets in default, Miss Williams.
You got like 3.
No.
We have 3 tickets in default. Okay,
And then this will be over 285.
all right,
And then you have 2 reinstatement.
all right, you have 2 reinstatement fees. 3 reinstatement fees, that's how you-
Well, actually, she gonna only reinstate after you do it. Or if this.
Okay. You have 5 reinstatement fees, and then you have 3 tickets in default, civil infraction.
Which tickets are those?
Those are tickets, they went with that, the day that you got that ticket on SP 953479. They must not have pulled them out of default, so they're from 2018.
Were they included on that offer, Your Honor?
No, because these were in Judge Sherman's courtroom.
Okay,
Yeah, that's why I'm telling her. Okay?
Okay,
Those are all the Sherman's courtroom. I apologize. So I can't do anything about those. But I want to set her any additional fines and costs today, that she's gonna have to pay those reinstatement fees and pay the fine that she has in the other courtroom, so. Okay, Ms. Williams?
okay,
All right, good luck to you, okay? And that
Thank
is, if you go online, you'll be able to see all the money that you owe to the court, okay?
okay. Thank
All
you.
right, you're very welcome. Have a good day.
You
That
too.
concludes this hearing. Out. Officer Baxter, thank you so much. You stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Okay.
Dante Wilson? All right. Now calling the matters of people versus Dante Wilson. These are ticket number or case number SP 790108. Count 1. Driver's license expired. Count 2. No insurance misdemeanor. Count 3. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling, not on this docket for this morning, but cases before me on August the 5th of 2022. Case number SP 128752221. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. No, count 1, disregard signal red or amber. I apologize. Count 2 is drove while license not valid or improper license. U ticket 595722221. This is 1 count narcotic and or drug related violation. And ticket number SP 11551691. 1 count narcotic and or drug related violation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Deontay Wilson.
Your Honor, there is an offer which my client accepts. I'm trying to figure out just what it was, if you have it in front of you.
Blockading on ticket number 1287522, count 1. That's going to be amended from disregard of red signal and also be pleading to, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle.
That is correct, Your Honor. He'll plead guilty and responsible.
All right, in exchange, all the remaining tickets will be dismissed called on this record today. Mr. Wilson, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
I don't think.
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a trial, bench, or jury in the future? You understand that?
Yes.
Hold on. All right. Let me take you back to the date of January 4th, 2018. Were you in the area? Getting my nerves going. Mr. Wesley, I sent you a message in the chat. Please look at that message. I want to take you back to the date of January 4th of 2018. Were you in the area of Moraine and Belford Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office at that time?
Yes.
And reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of December the 7th of 2021, in the area of Gratiot and East Forest in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wilson did disregard a signal, red signal or amber signal blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle and amended plea of responsible on ticket 12-875-221 to blockade. Sir, the fine for the blockading ticket is $175. Civil infractions are due 14 days after you take the plea on them. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
No, I'll probably need an extra week.
All right, if I give you a month, is that enough time?
Yes.
I'm gonna have that due no later than 7/18/2022 for that fine. On the drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Yeah, I see. So you owe from a ticket that you pled to in 2012. Okay. You owe still $296 on that. I know that. But she printed, my clerk printed that out for me so I can know.
Okay.
And then you'll have reinstatement fees. Okay. All right. So you need to pay that other ticket and then you'll have reinstatement fees that you'll need to pay. Like three reinstatement fees possibly. So that is. All right, so right now you owe the court about $471. So I always do that because I want to know if I want to assess you some more costs and fines to be able to pay at this point in time. But I looked up, you didn't have a ton of tickets. So the court is going to waive the costs and fines on the ticket for the drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. You are going to have to pay that fine from back in 2012. You're going to have to pay this $175 and you're going to have to pay your reinstatement fees, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further though, that does conclude this hearing. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Too.
You're welcome. All right, you too. All right. Mr. Jake Wesley, I'm gonna call your matter now. No officer can't do this, right? No, you're.
Okay.
Attorney Faulkner, you there with me still?
Oh, I'm here. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, I just want to make sure, because sometimes people. step
Oh, no,
away.
I'm never leaving you. You know that.
Thank you. Now calling the matter of People versus Jake Wesley. This is ticket number P1249863. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 3, disobey lawful order of police officer. Also calling ticket number P1249911. Straddling traffic lanes. That's count 1. Count 2, disregard signal red. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, in your name, sir.
Jake Wesley.
Your Honor, date, time set for trial on all matters. Our former hearing, the officer's not appeared. It's now 10 o'clock. I'd move to dismiss all matters.
All right, time is now 10:03 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. on my docket. No officer is present in the courtroom. No officer has appeared or checked in on this matter, so the court is going to grant your request and dismiss this without prejudice. What that means, sir, is as of today, you're all set. They can refile this if they want to, but since no officer showed up, this will be dismissed. Sir, slow down.
Yeah, it was going in and out. I didn't hear you.
How much did you miss?
It's these iPhones.
Uh-huh, I know. I got an Android. How much of it did you miss, Mr. Wesley?
I missed a lot of it from the time the attorney was talking.
Okay, the attorney requested, since no officer was present today, that this matter be dismissed. I granted that request and dismissed this case without prejudice. What that means is that the officers can refile this if they want to, but as of today, this case is dismissed. And I further went on to say, drive better, or I said slow down, I think, but I wanted to say, drive better, Mr. Wesley, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. You're all set, sir, okay?
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
You too. Thank you, sir. And last but not least, I bring Mr.
Woo-hoo.
Sir, still on. Jake, you're still on. All right, Jake, still on, Jake. Jake got a real job, too. He works for the water department.
He was laughing. When he read it.
I know you would. I told him, I said, good morning. Can you turn off the phone? He was sorry, man. Because I said, because he wasn't looking at him. Right. Sir, good morning. Can you turn it off? Right. I was not in school. It's not. Yeah, I'm bringing him on. Oh, okay. I can go look it up. Mr. Wilson? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Do you hear me, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Herbert Wilson. This is ticket number 532994. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. And count two on the docket too?
No, you're.
All right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, in your name, sir.
Herbert Lawrence Wilson.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. The officer's not appeared. I'd move to dismiss.
All right, at this time, the court is seeing that the time is now 10:06 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. Having no officer appear at this point in time, the court is going to grant that request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, that means that you're all set for this. Why didn't you come back though, Mr. Wilson?
Excuse me, Your Honor. I thought I came back to that ticket because, like I said, I was bringing proof that I never stopped and drove with any alcohol in the car. I
Okay.
thought I came back, but I don't know. I'm sorry
I don't know
about
either.
that.
So, okay.
Right.
So Make sure you don't do that anymore though, sir, okay?
I appreciate you, Your Honor. I most certainly won't.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a great day too, okay?
All right.
All right, you can log off. You need me to log you off, Mr. Wilson? I know you were getting some help from your friend.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna log you off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.